have a shape collection, and I use it to create anything I wanna see or be or do or make. Is it work? Is it play? Is it music? Is it art? With my shape collection, all I need to do is start with a line, circle, circle, square, 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 triangle, triangle. I drew a city with big skyscrapers. I drew people in the streets. It started on a paper with a line, circle, circle, square, 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 triangle, triangle. I drew boats out on the water. I drew a castle on the sand. I drew a beachside water slide on a ride. And I never even had to stand in line, circle, circle, square, 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 triangle, triangle. I drew a party in the park. The DJ was a monkey. Everybody there was dancing, but no one was as funky as the lion. Circle, circle, square, 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 triangle, triangle. Can you dance like a shake? Shaking to another. That's a funny move to make. Show your sister or your brother.
Here at the shape
song, swing a little show.
Come on, everybody.
Everybody.
Let's sing it together so we can do that.
We can do the
Line, circle, circle, square, 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 triangle, triangle, line, circle, circle, square, 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 triangle, triangle, line.
make shapes in the day, and when the lights go out, we make shapes while we sleep, because we're always dreaming about lines, circles, circles, squares, 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 triangles, triangles, line, circles, circles, square, 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 triangle, triangle,
Line, circle, circle, square, 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 triangle, line, circle, circle, square, 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 triangle, triangle, line.